Okay, so on question 6, we've got the gradient of a curve at the point x, y is given by, and we're given the gradient function dy dx equals 2 over x squared plus 4. The curve goes through the point 1, 6. Find the equation of the curve. Okay, so when you're finding the equation, you want to get it in the form y equals and so on. Okay, so you're given the gradient function. To go from the gradient function to the equation, you need to integrate. So ry is going to we're going to integrate this function to 2 over x squared plus 4 with respect to x. Let's get it ready to go. So we've got 2 over x squared. Let's bring the x squared to the numerator, so we can write it as minus 2 plus 4 with respect to x. So we're now integrating. So increase the power by 1, so minus 1, and divide by it, and increase the power by 1. You can pop your square brackets if you like though, and we're adding a constant. So here we've got, if you deal with your numbers first, you've got 2 over minus 1, which is minus 2, and x to the power with negative 1 is exactly the same as dividing by x to the power of 1 plus 4x plus c. So that's y, but obviously we don't want to leave it like that because we would need to find out the constant at the end. So how are we going to do that? Well, we've got a little bit more information in the question that we haven't used yet, and we've been told that the curve goes through the point 1, 6. So you've got an x value and a y value there. So if we substitute those in, we've got 1, 6. That implies then, so we've got y, I'm using this equation here, and just substituting into it. So our y value is 6. That equals, I'm now substituting in 1 for x. So we've got minus 2 divided by 1, plus 4 times 1, which is 4, plus c. So 6 equals minus 2 plus 4 plus c. So 6 equals minus 2 plus 4 is 2 plus c. So c equals 4. So at that point you haven't quite finished. You need to go back to this equation here and just substitute it back in. So that implies the equation of the curve is, and we've got y equals negative 2 over x, so that's a negative there, plus 4x plus 4. And at that point you're done. Unlike me, make sure that looks properly like a negative. Okay, right.